In this video, I'll show you how to add moving averages in Tradingview and help you decide the best moving average for your trading strategy. Simple moving average, SMA, or exponential moving average, EMA. Let's dive into Tradingview and start by adding these moving averages to your chart. First, go to tradingview.com and log in to your account. If you don't have an account, you can easily set one up with your email address. Once logged in, head to your dashboard to access your charts. On your chart interface, find the Indicators button at the top. This will open a list of available indicators in Tradingview. Don't worry about the extensive options. Our focus is on SMA and EMA. Type SMA and EMA into the search bar in the Indicators panel to find them. Start by clicking on the simple moving average to add it to your chart. It appears instantly as a line, calculating the average of selected past periods or candles, providing a smoother view of the overall trend direction. Next, add the exponential moving average in the same way. The EMA will appear alongside the SMA on your chart. Unlike the SMA, the EMA gives more weight to recent prices, making it more responsive to price changes, which is beneficial for short-term trading strategies. With both moving averages on your chart, personalize their appearance to suit your needs. Modify the SMA by clicking on its settings to adjust the period, color, and line thickness for better visibility. Some traders use bright colors to easily distinguish between different moving averages, helping you quickly notice their interaction with price action. Apply your changes by clicking OK. Repeat these steps to customize the EMA. In its settings, explore the Style section and choose colors and thickness that contrast with your SMA for clarity. Click OK to save your EMA settings. Now you've successfully added and customized both the simple moving average and the exponential moving average on your Tradingview chart. Understanding and tweaking these tools is crucial for building an effective strategy. Whether you prefer the stability of the SMA or the responsiveness of the EMA, finding what fits your trading style is essential.